Hello dear judges, today we are presenting our project. It's called Wireless Transmission of Electricity over a Distance.
The students of specialized comprehensive boarding school named after Saparmat Mashi of Ashgabat in Turkmenistan. Our scientific leader is Özcan Alif. Wireless transmission of electricity over distance in our day and age. It has become a tradition to adapt to advanced technologies. Wireless transmission of electricity over any distance may seem like a fantasy to ordinary people, but in fact, practice, the problems of effective and rational use of electric energy remain relevant today. The ideas of wireless transmission of electricity are being improved over time, and worldwide projects are being developed to transmit electricity wirelessly over long distances. It's possible to imagine today's people without computers or automatic devices. Televisions, computers, and large-scale enterprises are all consumer devices that depend on transmission power sources. Wires have become a brain drain all around us, in our environment and society. These methods lead to high energy loss without rational use of electric energy. Electrical wires are laid throughout the house to provide electrical sockets for electrical appliances inside the residence, and these wires are hidden inside the walls to maintain the appearance of the house. In the event of damage to the electrical wiring, the walls must be cut open. Then, after the wiring is repaired, the walls have to be repaired again. This is costly on the one hand and time consuming on the other, and we want to express this project work through experience so that it's safe and comfortable. Introduction of wireless transmission in schools. By the time children first step into school, almost all of them already have a computer or it's given as a gift by the government in many countries around the world for work with the new innovative technologies. Teachers use these computers appropriately to display interesting information and slides in each lesson. When these computers are used in classrooms to ensure that their charge doesn't decrease, first of all, 25 per 30 outlets should be installed in each classroom. Second, teachers are always anxious to ensure the safety and security of these outlets by young students. We wanted to eliminate this problem. That is, in this case, one of the current carrying block that transmits electric current wirelessly, as described in our project, is placed in classrooms. It's possible to charge computer wirelessly. Wireless transmission in farming and ranching importance. We believe that by using the wireless transmission block presented in our project work, great benefits can be created in the irrigation of livestock pastures and the irrigation of agricultural fields. Importance of introducing the project into the transport system. Electric cars are now in use, but it takes a lot of time to charge them. We want to eliminate this problem, that is, our project work can also be used for this purpose. As a result, vehicles can be charged while on the move and while parked, saving us time. In this case, the electric car battery can be charged in two ways. They are wireless charging of an electric car in parking lot or garage, charging an electric car and electrobus while driving. Both methods of charging this car include wireless charging through a Tesla's coil. For this, in the parking lot, in the garage of our house, we need to connect the magnetic field transmitting tag to the circuit in the same way as in the first experiment, but here we use an alternating current network set instead of battery as a power source. To ensure the safety of this system, we must make a special plastic container that doesn't conduct electricity and place it in it. In the same way, the other tip should be prepared in a special container and inserted conveniently under the electric car, and the special transmission wires should be inserted into the car so the electric current flows from the second tip to the car's battery and informs the car's control system computer about the presence of current. In the second method of charging, we need to remove the asphalt of a certain part of a certain line of the highway and connect it to alternating current. Our second sticker can be installed in the car in the same way as the first one. To charge electric vehicles, they need to be charged at designed charging points, which takes some time. But as our work shows, it's possible to charge a car anywhere and save time. The main goal of this project work is to reveal the validity and reality of the idea of wireless transmission of electricity over long distances. Our experience is organized in sequence as shown in the diagram. In our experiment, we use a 9-volt battery, a transistor, 2 coils of wire, a resistor, light clamp, a switch, and wires. The battery is a source of constant voltage, and the transistor is a structure that periodically adjusts the energy supplied to the system. And in the same system, it serves as a regulator, controller, and self-magnetic field emitter. When we close the switch, an electric current flows through the transistor and a magnetic field is created in the circuit, and the self-included AHG occurs. Thus, an introduction current is general in the circuit and its direction is opposite to the main electric current, and this current is supplied to the transistor and the flow of electric current from the transistor is cut off. Thus, the transistor periodically switched on and off, and magnetic field is generated in the space of first terminal, which passes through the second terminal and includes an electric current in the second terminal. By affecting electrons in the wire, it makes them move in an orderly manner, and as a result, a directed movement of electrons occurs in the second circuit, and a current appears in the circuit, and our electric lamp lights up. Necessary equipment. Result. By transmitting electricity wirelessly, the blocks can be used in households, schools, farms, livestock, and charging electric vehicles. If we install a block in the household, it will be possible to wirelessly transmit electricity to electrical appliances at home. Don't need multiple outlets and cables to charge computers that are gifted to a new school children. Instead, it's enough to install one block with a large magnetic field in the classroom. A large amount of fuel is used for pumps used in agriculture and livestock, and those fires have great ecological damage. Blocks can also be used to operate pumps. Charging electric vehicles overseas takes a lot of time and costs a lot. Electromagnetic blocks can be placed under a dirt roads, and electric vehicles can be charged on the go. Thanks for the listening. Bye.